Ever notice how some people say they're just busy, but what they really mean is they don't know how to stop? Like even on vacation, their brain is still answering emails, still planning the next thing, still feeling low-key guilty for resting. If that sounds familiar, yeah, you're not alone. People who can't stop working usually aren't addicted to work itself. They're addicted to what work protects them from: silence, uncertainty, uncomfortable feelings. And once you see that, the whole thing hits different. Hi everyone, welcome back to Dupe Psychology, the channel that explains human psychology.
Yeah, and I think that's the part most people miss. From the outside, it looks like ambition or discipline, but inside, it's often anxiety wearing a productivity costume. A lot of non-stop workers grew up learning that being useful meant being safe. Praise came after effort. Love came after achievement. So rest doesn't feel relaxing. It feels risky. Like if they slow down, something bad might catch up. That's not laziness in disguise. That's survival logic that never got updated.
Work becomes this emotional shield. If I'm busy, I don't have to feel lost. If I'm productive, I don't have to question my worth. And honestly, society rewards this like crazy. You get called reliable, driven, impressive. No one pulls you aside and says, "Hey, are you okay?" So the pattern keeps going. And if you're listening to this thinking, "Wow, this is me," maybe just pause. Not to judge yourself, just to notice.
Something else that matters here. A lot of people who can't stop working don't actually enjoy the work anymore. They enjoy the relief it brings, that tiny moment when the to-do list shrinks and the anxiety quiets down. But the relief never lasts, so they chase the next task and the next. It's like emotional caffeine. Short boost, long crash. If this conversation feels a little too real, yeah, that's probably a sign to stay with it.
Here's my take on it. I don't think the problem is that these people love work too much. I think they don't feel valuable without it. Stillness forces questions like, who am I if I'm not producing? And that's terrifying if your identity got built around results. Rest feels unearned. Joy feels conditional, so they keep moving. And maybe this is a good moment to ask yourself, when was the last time you did nothing and didn't feel bad about it?
Yeah, and let's talk about burnout for a second. Burnout doesn't always look like exhaustion. Sometimes it looks like numbness. You keep working, but nothing feels satisfying anymore. That's usually the nervous system saying, "I'm tired of being in survival mode." And no productivity hack fixes that. What helps is safety, permission, slowing down without punishment. If you're finding value here, maybe share this with someone who never logs off. Sometimes hearing it from the outside helps it land.
One thing that helped me personally, I stopped asking, "Am I being productive today?" and started asking, "Am I okay today?" Wild difference. Because work should be a tool, not a hiding place. And yeah, ambition is great, but not when it's fueled by fear of becoming irrelevant. You don't have to earn rest by burning yourself out first. That belief is learned, and anything learned can be unlearned.
I want to end with this. If you're someone who can't stop working, you're not broken. You adapted. At some point, staying busy kept you safe, but you're allowed to update that strategy now. You're allowed to rest and still matter. You're allowed to slow down and still be enough. And if this conversation stayed with you, maybe sit with that tonight. No pressure, no fixing, just awareness. Sometimes that's where real change starts.